In this video, I'll show you how to hide your Snapchat story from anyone. It's a very simple tutorial. Here's how you do it. So first, let's record a quick story, and while we're at it, make sure you go down below and like the video because it helps me out. We'll go ahead and record a video by just holding the button to record, and then
Go ahead and
we'll quickly mute this because and then maybe we can write some text, like a big text, hey. And then we to add it to our story, normally what we would do is click send to. You gotta be really fast. You gotta click on my story, send to. Now it's saved to your story, and you gotta quickly click on your profile, click on my story, click the three dots right here, click on story settings, and click on custom, and select some of the people that you don't want to see the story. And this is how you do it. Make sure you give this video a like. See you in the next one. Comment down below if you have any questions regarding the video. I try to answer all comments.